Welcome to Shuttleworth Capability Class, the quick hit video series teaching you about Shuttleworth's industry and application capabilities. In this video, I will be discussing Shuttleworth's capabilities and devices used for stacking, along with some common products from past projects involving stacking. Some of our stacking devices are upstacking, inline downstacking, a lift grid that indexes for each product, and right-angled downstacking using a pusher. Some of the common products from past projects involving stacking are paper plates, tortillas, gaming tickets, cartons of various sizes, napkins, wrapped packages of food and candy, books, and bowls, just to name a few. This application is downstacking single tortilla shells. A mounted sensor counts the shells, which can be programmed for multiple stack counts. We design a device to maintain stack integrity while the stack is lowered into the conveying surface. This is simple downstacking of wrapped stacks of napkins by dropping products down to a lower elevation conveyor. Pneumatic side stops retract when the stack count is met. The side stops can be changed over for each product size. This device upstacks wrapped packages of paper plates. The plunger on the top of the stacks displaces air to provide better stack quality. The first product will convey to a fixed stop on the end of the conveyor. This will cause a stop to rise in the surface to halt the product behind it. When both products are in place, the lift device will raise both products and start two different stacks. The UHMW that holds the products up are gentle on the product to not cause damage to the outer packaging. When the proper stack count has been met, a pusher sends this stack downstream. The upstacker can be designed for multiple shaped products. The products are indexed into the lift grid and stacked 4 high. On the fourth product, the lift grid will retract and place the finished stack onto the conveying surface. This device stacks single paper plates by velocity transferring them onto an extended shelf until they reach the correct stack count. A pin reaches out to adjust the stack to ensure stack integrity. When the stack count has been made, the lift grid retracts into the surface and the paper plates convey downstream. Once the stack conveys away, the shelf extends to start collecting the new stack of plates. This system downstacks single gaming tickets at a high rate. Once the stack is made, a device will align the stack against a fixed stop, then convey downstream. For this stacking device, products convey to a fixed stop. When the correct number of products are in place, the pusher device will send a layer of product onto the conveying surface beneath. Another row of products will convey to the fixed stop. The pusher will then stack this layer of product onto the previous one below. After the stack height has been made, the stop lowers and the stacks of napkins will convey downstream. If you have any questions regarding your current manufacturing process, or if you would like to view more Shuttleworth capabilities and solutions, please visit our website at shuttleworth.com.